How to wash your hands. Step 1. Wet hands with water. Step 2. Apply soap. Step 3. Rub hands palms to palms. Step 4. Rub the back of each hands with fingers interface. Step 5. Rub palms together with fingers interface. Step 6. Rub with back of fingers to the opposing palms. Step 7. Rub each thumb clasp in opposite hands. Step 8. Rub the tips of fingers. Step 9. Rub each wrist with different hands. Step 10. Rinse with water. Step 11. Dry thoroughly your hands. Your hands are now clean. The last step. Your hands are now clean.